Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be decorating my mom's Christmas tree and also having a yummy fish fry, so you guys will be spending the day with us, and I cannot wait to show you how this tree turned out. It was just beautiful, so make sure you stay with me till the end.
My wife hates when I do this, by the way, but that's okay. Alright guys, we have everything prepared in here.
We have the fries just got done.
And Brittany finished the fries. Say hi, Aunt Brittany.
Hi!
We've got French fries that we're frying, literally frying the French fries. We got some shrimp. Those are hush puppies, which is funny. I, oddly enough, have never seen them like before being hush puppies.
Full of goodness.
Yeah, I've only ever seen them like cooked, so I didn't know that's what they look like.
Mimi's specialty.
Drewby, G-Dad, Liam, say hello.
Blah.
Howdy. Blah, that works. Hey baby, can I come in? Can I come in?
Sure.
Well, I put
Red necklace to symbolize.
What are you doing?
I knew you love it when I do this.
I'll just edit it all out.
I know, I already said that she's probably not.
Yeah, you gotta, for the branches.
Right.
Right there?
Yep.
I
Is that
feel
about
like
right?
yeah, that's fine.
Because he knows.
Once
It's probably got to come a little bit more this way.
But once you put the bottom on, you can remove it where it needs to
Yeah.
go.
That's true.
That's true. Okay, well, I keep inching it. Y'all can just...
So now we are going to put up my mom's tree. Well, actually, the guys are going to put it up. We are going to stand back and watch them. And honestly, I wish that I had pictures of the fish fry and more video of that, but we did not get it. If you follow me on Instagram, which I'm going to have right here, make sure you follow me there, and you can definitely see all the little tidbits of my life throughout the day. And we posted some amazing pictures of that fish fry, you guys. It was so good. This is the second year my sister has been here. She moved from Olive Branch, Mississippi. I am from Memphis, and she moved over to Olive Branch when we moved to Florida. And this is her second year here, so we are trying new traditions, and it's really awesome. So now, after Thanksgiving, we're going to be doing fish fries and putting up my mom's Christmas tree, which is really awesome. It's the first year we've gotten to do this all together, and it is... honestly, it was one of the best times we've had in a really long time. I mean, we enjoy each other, but this was just fun making these memories. My mom is very particular about her tree. These trees, the trees that she does could be in Macy's. She goes all out. You see all the bins here. And so we were trying to help her as much as possible, and we had the boys help as well. But honestly, at the end of the day, she is going to move things around how she wants. So now I am going to show you some of the things that she has out. That is the Nutcracker. We all got one, all three of us. Last year we went to the Nutcracker with our daughters, Isabella, and then my niece, Shanley, which I did a video with her where she did my makeup this time last year. But we all went to the Nutcracker, and it was really sweet. And so that was sitting there. And then here is the tree. And this is in the daytime. You know, I like to show you both the daytime and nighttime view, so make sure you stick around to the end so you can see everything lit up and glowing so beautifully at night. But she did such a great job, and the boys actually did very well putting the ornaments on the tree. She's got such unique ornaments. Some things are from antique stores and specialty stores and boutiques, and other things we found at Kirkland's. I'm not sure where she got that peacock. Probably a specialty store or boutique. The poinsettias are definitely from Kirkland's and Hobby Lobby. The acorns, I believe, are from Hobby Lobby. And the hedgehogs may be from Marshall's. I am not 100% sure. The burlap flower there is from Kirkland's for sure, and so are the birch balls with the gold glitter. That's from Kirkland's. The hedgehogs may be from Kirkland's. I'm not 100% sure. She collects things every single year, so I'll try to remember as best as I can. I will tell you her Christmas tree is from 2 years ago from Home Depot. I know this because we were so in love with it and fascinated with how beautiful it looked that we investigated, and it was written on the box. So it's awesome because when you put the sections onto it, you don't have to plug in another string of lights. There's an internal device and it connects. It makes it super easy. It has colored lights and white lights and also different features for the lights. Beautiful tree, and it also has a real tree feel to it. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing us decorate my mom's tree this year. This is the first time I've ever showed it on my channel, so it's definitely new, and I am so excited that y'all got to see it. I hope it inspires you to do your own beautiful tree. It came out just beautifully, and you also got a little small tour of her Christmas decorations. So kind of a 2-for-1 deal. I will be hosting my home tour very soon. It will be out probably Monday. So I wanted to definitely make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Again, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go.